मुरगांव पालिकेन सोमारा इश्कोलाच्या भुरग्यांक आपल्या सुरक्षे बाबतींत जागृताय करपाक कार्यावळ जाली। इश्कोलाच्या भुरग्यांक तांच्या सुरक्षे बाबतींत जागृत करतना वास्कोचे PI नालास्को रापोजो भुरग्यांकडेन तशेंच पालकांकडेन संवाद केलो। आर्टेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Finally, even if he withdraws from these drugs, there are withdrawal effects. The child has to be admitted in a IPHP or some other institution for rehabilitation. Government has rightly enacted a lot of laws, especially the Goa Children Act in 2005 and POCSO, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act in 2012, to protect the children from child abuse.
Lots of issues have been discussed, and some security issues have been taken. Importance is given to security. There is a need of the hour to put a CCTV in all the schools. There is a need to put some security personnel on the main gate, meaning the entry and exit points. CCTV to cover up all the isolated areas in the school premises where nasty things can happen. So it was also given to me to understand that the personals of security personnel given by the government were paid rupees 10,000, and no one is willing to take up the job. So there is, I think, government has to increase the wages of the security personnel, because once they are there, the fear will be there on the strangers not to enter in the school premises. There is also a need to understand that Goa, being one of the state where Goa Children Act has been enacted, very good act for the protection of the students, and this has to be implemented in toto. So I have already suggested all the schools to put up all the proposals, whatever, anything pending with the government with us, so that I can also take up the issues with the Director of Education.
Government स्कूलाची परिस्थिती सध्या तितली बरी ना कंपेयर टू प्रायवेट स्कूल आपण कितें आपल्या भशेन फंड रेज करता आनी फीज घेता आनी स्टुडंटा कडसून फीज घेता आनी ते आपली सेक्युरिटी मेंटेन करता, वेरेज गव्हर्मेंट स्कूला पळय तांकां तितलो ग्रांट्स मेळना. समज एक हँडसम ग्रांट्स गावलेलो तांकां जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता तांचो प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट जातलो. म्हाका दिसता आयचो आमचो मिनिस्टर जो आहा, एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर, एकदम बेस्ट आहा तो हेचेर लक्ष घेवन तो म्हाका दिसता सगळे गव्हर्मेंट स्कूलांक ग्रांट वाडून तांकां कितें नेसेसरी कितें जाय पळय तांकां ते अवेलेबल करतलो.
What I raised in today's meeting at the municipality was basically making the child aware of their own safety. Instead of putting the police and the CCTV into force, the child should be in fact given those coverage or thought about how to keep themselves safe in this kind of situation.